So what I'm showing here is helical gears for Lego that we 3D printed. These gears on this printer, I have not found these gears in the Lego system, but we printed up 2 of them, different sizes, that will run 2 shafts actually in different directions. This motor shaft goes to this gear, which turns a smaller gear down below it. And when you do that, you can then redirect the motion from one plane and one angle to the other using microbit and superbit and the app on a cell phone, either iOS or Android. Here's where I got the files, STL files for this system, and it kind of gives you a hint how to set up the arrangement using Lego parts. The reason this is important to us is because we're using an online slicer Chromebook called Kiri Moto, which we then can go to. It's actually, I'm reading now, it's actually located in the browser of, in this case, the Chromebook, not on the internet. Once you click on it, for example, on Google Chrome, once you search for it, it downloads into your computer, so we don't have any access by this system to the internal parts of our computer, our data. This is what I've read. These are called helical gears. We can use them to input directional energy one direction, and that energy will be transferred to a different direction by using these gears. And we 3D printed on a Tina2 Basic with the Kiri Moto. So there will be more.